Man and birds are an integral part of the animal world. They give and take from each other. Artificial water systems are the creations of humans, and they offer places of living and reproduction to birds. Man-made, traditional water systems called tanks are visited by birds in large numbers for the purpose of storing rainwater. They are in their thousands in South India. They do get birds in large numbers whenever there is water in them. Many tend to unbelieve the fact that most of the inland bird sanctuaries in South India are man-made tanks. Southern districts in Tamil Nadu that are known to be drought-prone, such as Ramanathapuram and Shivaganga, have a lot of them. Almost every village has a tank and attracts birds from far and near. Ancient Tamil literature has hundreds of references to native and migratory birds. They describe the habits, migration, nesting, feeding and breeding of birds. Birds are used to convey the nuances of human feelings. Even wretched conditions of the poor and their poverty are conveyed through migratory birds. Farmers know the importance of birds in agriculture. They make their land and water rich in nutrients, add fertility to soils, control pests and rodents, and above all, they are essential in pollination. Shivaganga is a district that has 4,000 small and big tanks and ponds. They host over 100 species of native and migratory birds. Water and the trees in the tanks offer living spaces and host them. The babul and prosopis trees in the tank beds and paddy fields are safe sites for them to lay eggs and hatch. Pradhan has rehabilitated a few tanks in the Shivaganga district. Because of this, water availability in these tanks got extended beyond the usual crop periods of 3 months. Rapid bird watching surveys conducted in March 2021 and 2022 in the vicinity of the 3 tanks in Sangani, Kilanjanai and Vadavirukai villages. These tanks are located in a chain and adjoining each other with intermittent paddy fields and tree-lined tank bunds. 92 different species of birds are noticed here, some of them having various varieties among them. Of these, 16 species are migrants, some of them from the Arctic, such as the alpine swift, Blythe's reed warbler, tern and brown shriek. Another 76 species are found to be resident and local migrants.
In addition to that one, the species which are also feeding on the coastal wetlands like terns, they are coming from Europe. This kind of migratory birds also, there are, you can see the electric lines are completely filled with the migratory swallow, which is migrating mostly from Europe and partially from the high Himalayas. Fish and other diversity of these snails, they are the very important feed for this migratory bird, the fish-eating birds like this darter or oriental darter. That is, globally their numbers are very less. And also the painted stork, which is also near threatened. And but this time I didn't see much pelican, but normally the pelican, the spotbill pelican, which is also a near threatened category, where that the global population of this bird is like that less than 40,000. So you put 400 birds are coming to this one, it support 1% of the population. Like that, this wetland will get a significance for our global significance, we can call it as a.
The villagers have taken initiatives to prevent hunting and poaching through their associations. Salim Ali, India's grand old man of science, once said, "Birds can survive without humans, but a human can't survive without birds." It is the Indian farmer who has understood this wisdom, that conservation and development shall go hand in hand through their village tanks.